Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an active subscription on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to remove an active subscription on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. To remove an active subscription or its linked payment method on your iPhone, you must cancel the subscription first. Apple requires at least one payment method on file if an active subscription exists. So guys, you have to simply cancel the subscription, and after this you will be able to remove that active subscription on your Apple device very easily. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings on your device, and then you have to simply go to your profile and then go to payment and shipping, and then you have to simply wait here for some seconds. And from here make sure that all the details on your payment method are correct. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and then you have to simply go to subscriptions and then wait there for some time, and from here you will see all of your active subscriptions. So guys, you have to simply cancel the subscription first, and then you have to simply wait for 24 hours, and after this you will be able to remove the subscription as well. So guys, first of all you have to simply cancel the subscription from here, and then you will be able to remove it from your list as well. So guys, you have to simply cancel it and then remove it, and after this you will be able to remove the active subscription on your Apple device very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.